Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today we're going to create a carbon black snake by decomposing calcium gluconate. Check this out. The first step is to put a petri dish inside a larger petri dish and add 4 tablets of calcium gluconate. Calcium gluconate is a dietary supplement for calcium. And now it's time to grow our black carbon snake. Check out what happens when I add a little bit of heat to the calcium gluconate. How big do you think they'll get? Look at them grow. Look at those snakes grow. How is this possible? What is going on here? So what you're seeing in this awesome decomposition reaction is you start out with those tablets of calcium gluconate. And when you heat up those tablets, they begin to decompose into carbon, carbon dioxide gas, calcium oxide, and water. But it's really the carbon, the elemental carbon, and the calcium oxide that creates those gray snakes that you see. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time.